In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create rolling credits in CapCut. It's a simple process, so let's begin. First, go to the text section and bring the default text onto your timeline. Once the text is in the timeline, click on it to start editing. You can now insert the text you want for your credits. Let's say you've copied some text from another source. Paste it into the text box on the right side of the screen. Now, reduce the font size to fit more text on the screen. You might notice that you can only insert a limited amount of text in a single text layer. So, to handle this limitation, you will need to copy the second part of your text separately and repeat this process that we are about to do. Once you've added the text, select the text layer in the timeline. Extend the length of the layer to whatever you want. Move the playhead to the first frame of the text layer. On the right side, find the position settings and click the diamond icon to create a keyframe here. Now, move the playhead to the end of the text layer or close to the end and create another keyframe. At this point, click the back arrow to go to the first keyframe. To center your text, change the X position to 0. Now, for the animation, at the first keyframe, drag the text downwards so it moves off the screen. Now, go to the last keyframe, click and hold to drag the text upwards so it moves off the screen. Let's preview it. If it seems a bit laggy, you can improve the smoothness by changing the frame rate from 30 FPS to 60 FPS. This will make the rolling credits smoother. If you want to add more text, move the playhead to a point where the last line of the credits is at the center. Then, select the text layer and press Ctrl+C, then Ctrl+V to duplicate it. This will create a second layer with the same text. Now, go to the second text layer, select all the text, and replace it with the second part of your credits. If the text appears to not match with the first text layer, go back to the first keyframe of the new layer and adjust its position by dragging the text closer to the last line of the credits. Let's play it again. If the credits are moving too quickly, you can slow it down by zooming out on the timeline and extending the length of the text layer. After that, move the second keyframe further down the timeline. Now, preview it once more to ensure the speed is slower and smoother. If you have even more text, just repeat this process. Copy and paste new text, then adjust the animation speed to keep the credits rolling smoothly. That's how you create rolling credits in CapCut. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial was helpful.